Are you ready to unlock a lucrative opportunity with minimal effort? Today, we're diving into the world of email newsletters. These simple, text-based assets can yield profits significantly higher than traditional dropshipping. No inventories, no shipping times, just pure owned attention. Why is there so much interest in email newsletters? The answer lies in a shift in the online economy. Social media no longer guarantees organic reach. Brands struggle with rising ad costs and algorithm changes. In contrast, an email list is owned traffic. With a single click, you're in their inbox. 10 years ago, flipping websites was the gold standard. Websites need complex SEO and constant updates. But newsletters simplify this process. They provide direct access to your audience without the hassle. So, what makes a newsletter valuable? Not every newsletter can be flipped for a profit. Personal journals or casual opinions won't attract buyers. Instead, focus on hyper-niched, B2B, or high-finance topics. Think along the lines of AI tools for real estate agents. Investors want access to targeted demographics. A list of 5,000 commercial real estate brokers is worth far more than a list of gamers. Profitability doesn't require original journalism. Curating news is often the most effective method. Spend a couple of hours daily collecting key industry stories and summarizing them. This approach saves your readers time and makes you indispensable. Now, let's move on to the technical side. You don't need programming skills or a custom website to start. Tools like Beehive, Substack, and ConvertKit let you create beautiful newsletters in under 20 minutes. Among them, Beehive shines with built-in growth tools that attract investors. Once you have your platform, develop a sourcing strategy. Use Feedly to track industry blogs, or set Google alerts for specific keywords. Your job is to save readers time. The more convenient you are, the more valuable you become. But how do you attract subscribers? Growth is often where creators struggle. Flipping emails relies on mathematics, not hope. To aim for a $50,000 exit, you'll need 10,000 to 20,000 engaged subscribers. Posting on social media won't cut it. Leverage recommendation networks. Platforms like Sparkloop allow you to partner with other newsletters, generating targeted subscribers effortlessly. Additionally, consider a paid acquisition strategy. If each subscriber costs you $2 but generates $5 in revenue, you're making an investment. However, quality matters. Investors are cautious about subscriber engagement. They look for a unique open rate above 30%. You want to maintain a sweet spot of 45% to 55% for the best valuation. Next, ensure your list generates revenue. Establish income through sponsorships, affiliate links, or subscription tiers. Prove that each subscriber yields a monthly profit. That helps your valuation significantly. Now that your metrics are solid, you're ready to sell. Micro-acquisition marketplaces are booming. Platforms like Doist and Flippa connect you with numerous buyers eager for cash-flowing assets. When you list your newsletter, expect a valuation based on annual profits, usually 2x to 4x. Alternatively, buyers may pay on a per-subscriber basis, which can reach up to $10. The process is straightforward. Sign a letter of intent. The buyer will audit your metrics. Once cleared, you transfer admin rights, and the funds are securely held during the transaction. Within 30 days, your asset is sold. Congratulations! You've successfully flipped a digital asset. For a deeper dive into building subscriber growth or uncovering psychological triggers, don't forget to check out the next video on screen.